Hey, this is Andy, one of the co-founders of PetraTools, and we're going to be looking at our Sprayer's Green lawn solution. This is a great solution if you're managing a turf field, maybe you work at a sports complex, you want to get that turf a little greener. This is the solution that you want to use. If you have brown spots in your yard, brown patches, unfortunately, I have them in my yard. I have 2 dogs. Sometimes they don't always use the bathroom where they're supposed to, so that leaves me brown spots sometimes that I have to manage. This is a great solution to use for that. It's non-toxic, not harmful to animals or humans, and it's going to give you a long-lasting green color that's going to blend in with your grass. So we give instructions on how much to use per gallon here on the back, as well as you may want to dilute it heavier or lighter to match the color green of your grass. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in, and then we're going to go around. I'm going to cover some brown spots and show you what it can do. So again, a lot of folks who live in cold weather climates, they may want to use this to turn their grass green all winter. So your grass is going to look a lot nicer than your neighbor's, and again, it'll last for months on time, and it's non-toxic to animals or humans. So what I always want to do first is I want to shake it up really good, get that, if there's any sediment there in the bottom, just like you would a typical paint can, and then we're going to go ahead and pour this in. So now I have 2 gallons of water already inside my sprayer, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of our green grass paint, and then I'm going to shake it up in the sprayer. So you can see there, it looks like green paint. Mixing it in with the water. Go a little more there. Again, we give instructions here on the back for the proper amount that you want to dilute. I'm going to put my filter in. I'm going to screw this lid on tight. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake the sprayer to make sure that water mixes around really well with that paint. So now I have the green sprayer's paint in. We're going to go through and we're going to spray some of these brown spots here. And again, this is great for any type of professional environment, or if you're a residential user. We're going to take care of some of these brown spots here to make this lawn look a little bit better. The nozzle on the HD 4000 we recommend is the yellow with the fan tip spray. So let's go ahead and do this. We're making those brown spots go away.